Guys, you won't believe it what my BTech senior told me when I asked him about his internship. So casually I was just scrolling this LinkedIn and I just found a profile that was a third year student pursuing computer science in same college as I am studying. So I just texted him that hello Bhaiya, are you doing an internship? And guess what he replied? He just replied that yes, I am doing one. And just by curiosity, I just asked him that okay, you are doing an internship. So how much stipend you are getting paid for? And guess what he replied? That reply literally let me shocked, and that reply was so scary. Even when I told you that how much he's getting paid for, you will also get scared. So he is just getting paid 1,000 rupees per month. Like damn scary. Like how a person can work 8 to 10 hours with just a monthly payback of just 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees is just not even sufficient for the traveling expenses. Like we all dream of an internship where we learn, we earn and we grow. But 1,000 rupees is not a less. I know that some people are working for the experience, but for a student who is contributing his 8 to 10 hours in coding, projects, assignments, but 1,000 rupees is enough for all that hard work the students are paying.
तो साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
Just for the damn experience, just to fill the resume gap, not even worthy.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
But what I'm thinking, like what my opinion on this thing, like literally students have to do these things for just 1,000 rupees. Like in my point of view, it depends upon your skill. Like that senior had no skill idea. Like even his LinkedIn profile, I'm just showing you this time. Like even his LinkedIn profile has no skills.
उठा ले रे देवा, उठा ले रे बाबा.
Like literally with zero skills, he is doing an internship. For that senior, it is okay. But there's someone who is literally skilled, who is literally doing a lot of coding. He is so skilled, so he literally deserves a lot of stipend in terms of his internship experience. Like in internships, he is just getting paid. He is just getting value. He is just getting learning. But all the things he is doing, it's not sufficient for 1,000 rupees. If he is a skilled इंजीनियर.
जो तुम लोग सोच रहे होगे कि अचानक से वीडियो चेंज कैसे हो गई, तो बेसिकली उसका ये रीज़न है कि मैं अपने सेटअप पे ज़रा बिजी हो गया था, तो मैंने ज़रा चेंज कर दिया. मैं तुमको अपना सेटअप दिखा सकता हूँ एक्चुअली में. ये देखो, ये रहा मेरा लैपटॉप एंड यहाँ पे एक मैंने लाइट खरीदी हुई है और एक घटिया सा बैकग्राउंड है. बस मैं एक्चुअली में यही कह रहा था कि लोगों के अंदर मतलब इतने ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करने के बाद भी लोगों को बस 1,000 रुपये पर मंथ की इंटर्नशिप मिल रही है, क्योंकि दैट्स नॉट फेयर, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इसके दो कारण हैं, या तो तुम लोग अपने स्किल्स पे ध्यान दो या फिर करो इंटर्नशिप. क्या ही कर सकते हैं आप. बस इतना ही था इस वीडियो के अंदर. बाकी सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर चाहिए तो. ऐसे वीडियोस आते रहेंगे चैनल के ऊपर. मे बी हु नोस कि इन फ्यूचर बहुत बड़ा चैनल हो जाइए. लेट्स बी द पार्ट ऑफ दैम मैन. सब्सक्राइब करो फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो. हाँ, और कुछ नहीं.